welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make one ingredient chicken, legs, thighs, and wings dish. And I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer. This is the one ingredient product that I'm gonna use on it. I'm gonna let it marinate overnight, and then I will cook it tomorrow. This is about 4.5 pounds of chicken legs, thighs, and wings. I poured like half a container of this mixture in there. It's bottom side up right now. It's Nashville style hot ranch. This is gonna be some good chicken. Yola's gonna love this. Get it coated really well. And I'm gonna pour the remainder of it in this bag over here that I'm gonna let it marinate overnight. That way it has plenty of seasoning in this meat. But this is so easy to make. You just gotta plan like a day ahead to make this, because this is gonna be the best tasting chicken you have ever had if you let it marinate overnight. You can do this with any marinade that you like. You don't have to use the same one that I'm using, but this one is a good one. It's very easy to prepare your chicken, and you will have a fantastic meal for your family. They will love you for this because you put a lot of love in it. When you cook something with love, it takes a little while, but your family will really enjoy it. So try it, okay? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to our bag to let it overnight in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the remainder of the sauce in here. That way the chicken is really saturated with this sauce here. This is a one ingredient recipe, and you will have to try it. I picked up this product at Aldi's, but you might be able to find it somewhere else. I don't know. But this is the marinade that I'm gonna use. So, like I said earlier, you can use whatever marinade you like, your favorite, teriyaki, whatever, but let it marinate overnight, 24 hours, all right? I'm gonna show you this again. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the refrigerator. And thank you so much for watching. I will show you the chicken after I cook it in the air fryer. That will be tomorrow, okay? All right, see you then. This morning, I'm gonna unbox my new Ninja blender that I'm gonna use for my smoothies from now on. The ones I usually buy, they play out really fast, and I decided to invest in one that cost a little bit more money. This one was actually, I think it was $79 at Walmart, and I think we got it for $69 yesterday. So I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you the ones I usually use, which I'm gonna give those away to Goodwill. I have two of the magic bullets, two of the magic bullets, and they just don't hold up. I don't know. I used them about 5 or 6 times, and they just played out. So instead of me pulling out my large Ninja, I decided to buy something. Instead of me pulling out those, the smaller ones, I decided to buy something a little bit larger so that I can travel with this one. I'm gonna unbox it. This will give me a little booklet here. I'm not sure what's in it. Ninja quick guide. Okay. I like Ninja products and New Way products. Those are the ones that last forever. I'm usually, when I get tired of them, I just give them away if I want to go with a newer brand. But I don't have a problem with those kind of items. They last for a long time. Oh, that's kind of nice. Oh, this is real cool. And see this brand here, this motor will last for a long time. I won't have to worry about this falling apart if so, which I have never had to take one back. And hopefully I won't have to take this one back. I never have a problem with them. It's really nice. The one with the blade in it, it gave me like a cap that I can travel with, go to the store with after I get my blender, after I get my smoothie, after I make my smoothie. I could take that with me. And here's the base of it. It's really nice. Here's the Ninja top here. Awesome. Really nice product. Okay, I hope you like this video. Subscribe. I know my cooking channel is called Betty's Cooking Channel, but I do more than cooking, so it's kind of blogging and also showing you other things that I do in life, okay? It's not all the way, always about cooking all the time, but I have quite a few recipes to share with you, but I just thought that I'd share this with you, all right? Here's the chicken I marinated overnight. I'm gonna cook some of it. I'm gonna bake it in the oven here, my air fryer. So let me just take some of the pieces out and bake it for about 45 minutes from now. Okay, I'm just gonna bake enough for Bill. And this is like 3 pieces of the marinated chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven. Let you see it when I pull it out of the oven. Okay, I have some cabbage, onions, bell pepper, and garlic in this skillet here. It's a small skillet. I'm cooking this for my dinner and also for Bill dinner. So let me add some water to it. Okay, about a cup of water. And I'm gonna add some salt. I'm not gonna add too many seasoning to this right now. Just let it cook. turn this off because it's ready. Today I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. I'm gonna use 5 whole potatoes. Here are 2 of the potatoes I'm gonna peel. I'm gonna go ahead and wet them first under the water. I got that tip from Jessica. She shared that tip with me when she was here peeling potatoes for our potato salad. So I like that tip. It makes the skin on the potatoes a lot softer. Okay, peel the potatoes, so let me just go ahead and cut them up. Okay, got the potatoes all cut up and ready to go in the pot. Okay, added the water. I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt, about a teaspoon of salt. Use a teaspoon of salt. Pour it in. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna put it on. I guess I just put it on maybe beans because I don't see anything for, oh, there's one for potatoes. Okay. Alright, so it's on potatoes. So we'll let that start. I think I have to hit start. I've had this Instant Pot for a long time, but I've never used it. Okay, hit start, so hopefully it'll start. Okay, here's the mashed potatoes. Still mashing them up. I can't find my regular masher, so I'm using this. I added some complete seasoning and half a teaspoon of salt. So always taste your food to see if it's to your liking, okay? These white potatoes are very special. They do not have any oil whatsoever in it. I did add a little soy milk to it, and they are delicious. And I added about a teaspoon of lemon juice in it, and they are very my vegetables that I'm preparing for dinner. I just added some of the collard green seasoning to it, and about a half a teaspoon of lemon. Cook the chicken for 1 hour and 5 minutes on 350 degrees. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.